Hey everyone, in this video we're looking at how to convert text to numbers in Google Sheets. There are a few different methods depending on your situation, so I'll walk you through them all in order. The first method is using the value function. Click on an empty cell next to your text formatted number. Type the formula equals value, then your cell reference, for example A2, and press enter. The converted number appears in the new cell, right aligned. If you see a value error, the text can't be interpreted as a number. To apply this to multiple rows, click the cell with your formula, then drag the small blue square at the bottom right corner down to copy the formula. You can then copy these converted numbers, right-click your original column, select Paste Special, then Values Only, to replace the text with numbers. If that didn't work for your data, the next option is changing cell formatting. Select the cells containing your text formatted numbers by clicking and dragging. Click Format in the top menu bar, hover over Number, then select Number from the submenu. Check if the numbers are now right-aligned. That indicates successful conversion. If they stay left-aligned, this method didn't work, usually because there are hidden spaces or symbols. Another quick fix is multiplying by 1. Click an empty cell next to your text number, type the formula equals your cell reference times 1, then press Enter. The text converts to a number in the new cell. Drag the fill handle down to apply to multiple rows. This only works if the cell contains purely numeric text. For bulk conversions of entire columns, use array formula. Click on an empty column header cell next to your data. Type the formula equals array formula value, then your range, like A2 to A10, and press Enter. Sheets will auto-expand the results down the column for all filled rows. The formula converts all values in that range into numbers automatically. And if your data has mixed characters like currency signs or text, use regex replace with value. Click an empty cell and type a formula that combines value with regex replace to strip everything except digits and decimal points. This extracts numbers from text like price, 99.99, and converts to 99.99. To verify any conversion worked, add a temporary column with the formula equals isNumber, then your converted cell reference. True means it's a valid number. False means it's still text. Thanks for watching.